Twitter. Yes. So yeah, today, wait. Yes, guys. So finally, we are having another session that is on food habits from our friend Miss Bindu. So we'll be starting the food habits. Like we won't go the basics what we had in the school or college. We'll share our some insights. We can say 21st century ideas. We can say. So we'll suggest. We'll be sharing our comments and observations. So yeah, let's start with the introduction of our guest for the topic. Then we'll go ahead with our observations and topic content. Yeah, Bindu, can you introduce yourself? Like,
Yeah, this is Bindu Pal. I am doing PhD in under Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Madras. And I am from Uttar Pradesh. And earlier I studied material science. So I think that's all.
Uttar Pradesh, which city? I mean, the major city?
Okay, Kanpur.
Kanpur. Okay. So you are here from how many years?
From last 2 years.
Last 2 years.
I joined July 2018.
Okay. So okay. I think it's good to know that you are interested to speak on this topic. Actually, it is, of course, it's one of the crucial topic in our day-to-day life.
Yes.
So, yeah, can you comment on like what is basically the definition or some basic definition of food habits?
Yeah, actually, the thing is that we all want to be fit and we all want to be healthy. So I think this, if we really want to be healthy, we have to manage with our food habits as well as with some of the physical exercises. This food habits involves diet, a healthy diet, as well as quality and quantity of food and the frequency of food, how many times you are taking. So I think this the definition of this healthy diet may be differ from person to person, but
Yeah.
I think but the healthy diet means that just you take food as much as in the original form as much as possible. So yeah, that's all I
I
think.
think we have covered the definition nicely. So, like we go in detail, like it is like a situation. I mean, the case by case basis, the definition or the meaning will be varied. So, for sorting out this one, we'll try to go some of the verticals like the children food habits and the adults food habits. Like a child, when you are a child, how we take the food, and when we are in adult, how we have the food. You add your comments about children's how and
Okay. So the thing is that for childs, since we know that childs are very physically very active, so they have to take very good diet so that to fuel their active body. So I think the childs should take food or should eat something after every 3 or 4 hours. So it may involve two to three meals as well as two snacks. So yeah, I think that's all. That's how much they should eat.
yeah, I think I can comment like the child the food habits are we are talking basically with respect to the food habits. So I could rephrase it like instead of saying what to eat or how much to eat, the food habits or the diet it is controlled by their parents, right? If I can rephrase.
Yes, correct, correct.
So
Yes.
that is like the parents will take care, and we hardly focus on what to eat
Okay, okay, okay.
with children.
Yeah.
So that time it's like we may not have more control what to choose, or we may not even have the flexibility to choose the foods also sometimes. So that
Yeah.
it's a different story. And this observation we can compare later on. And I think you can comment on the activity, what we call the active time in the child and also the adult. So before going further, why I'm saying that the food habits are directly connected with the activity level. The children's we don't know how much time they will be active, but the adults we know. So the food habits before going what to take, just you can brief if you can comment on.
Like I don't understand actually what like
Yeah, I mean to say like see in the child no the
yeah.
children's the active time and the energy they consume may be very less or it may be very
No,
less.
it's more. It's
Oh,
more than us because they have there is all development, all kind of developments in their body takes place that time. So it's more
okay.
than adults.
So that's why
How much I read, it's more than adults.
so that's why they won't get fat easily. Is it that?
Yeah, that's what, because they that time all kind of development is going on in their body. So
Yeah.
all kind of physical developments, mental developments, as well as emotional development is going on.
Yeah, I
So
think you pointed out nicely. Like in the childhood time, the growth and the food habits, it is all almost balanced. So
yeah,
if at all the child become too fat or too thicker, it's not because of food habits. It may be some other factors during children's. So
yeah,
the food habits is directly connected with adults mostly. That
yes.
we can speak on more today. So yeah, now you can comment like the activity levels and the foods what we can take. What do you say?
Yeah. The thing is that I think for adults, they should eat the two, four things are very important for as a food habits for adults. I think one thing is
Come
that
again?
they
Sorry.
should, I'm saying that two or three things are really very important
Yeah.
for food habits in adults. The
Okay.
first thing is that what I want to mention is that I think we should manage our food timing within the 10 to 12 hours of the complete from complete 24 hours time framing. Like we should manage in that. We should eat in that only. If we want to really fit and slim and without any fat. So
Yeah, like a
also,
healthy lifestyle. So you're suggesting to have proper eating timings.
yeah, eating timings as well as a time. We should eat only between the 10 to 12 hours from 24 hours only. Like
Okay, you're
we
suggesting
manage our time.
overall 24 hour slot also 10 to 12. That is
Yeah, 10 to 12 only we should eat.
so
This
you're
much.
saying before 10 breakfast we should not take. Is it like that?
No,
I
no, 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 not I'm saying that out of, see, there
okay.
are 24 hours are there, right?
Yeah.
So out of 24 hours, we should manage such that we'll finish our all kind of meal, including dinner, lunch, breakfast,
Yeah.
everything within this
So
12 hours only. So that
yeah.
our rest 12 hours will be completely free for just to digest that or just to set our body metabolism according to that.
Yeah, I think you're. Yeah, now I understood. It's like 8 to 8 or else 9 to 9. So it's like give 12 hours break, 12 hours without food, like after.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. Kind of fasting thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So 12
If
hours.
you want to fit, yeah, if you want to be fit and slim without any fat.
Yeah, yeah, it is one side. It's fit and for these things, but other side it will generate some other nonsense like laziness and dizziness, or even that emotional balances. It will affect. I mean, when you don't take
I
food,
think so. Yeah, correct, correct.
so it will
It may
indirectly
be.
affect that one also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the thing, second thing is that I think we should go with the plant-based eating. I think because the plant-based eating is a one way to go. Because nowadays, since most of the people are dying just because of chronic diseases like heart attack and cancers like this. So if we'll go with plant-based like the eating, then it have some heart healthy nutrients as well as fibers. So like potassium, so we can reduce the risk of chronic diseases if we are eating
So,
plant-based food.
so are you referring we should eat only vegetarian foods? Is it like that?
No, I am not. I'm saying that as much as possible. I'm not saying that only, like as much as possible.
Okay, so is it not like protein food from the plants or animals? Is it not like that? Or you're
No, I'm not. Yeah, it definitely we get so much proteins, for example, from fish and all. So
yeah.
I'm just saying that we should not refine the food much. If, like it's
Okay,
not the distinction between veg and non-veg. It's a distinction
okay.
between, like for example, vegetables. We should not refine vegetables too much, like too much masala and too much oil. We should take it like as much as in the plant-based food form. This on, for
Yeah,
example, we should not take much snacks like fast food and all. We should not take much noodles, and this only I wanted to say.
yeah. I think you are rephrasing like on less processed food, like without much processing. I think
Yeah,
that's good.
because refining and processing will reduce so much minerals and will strip from of so much minerals, nutrients, fibers as well as.
That's
So
true. That's really true. I think some of the countries in Western world, when we see they take raw food, it's not, it looks
yeah, yeah, yeah.
that is logical maybe.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
also, I think we should proportionate the calorie containing food in day timing rather than taking it in the night timing. For example, in morning breakfast and lunch. Because if we are taking in night timing, it may increase our fat, it may increase fat in our body, because anyway we will not be physically active that much in night time.
Yeah, I think that is true. Our activity, when we are active, we should take a good food, and it's like a resting.
Good calorie containing food, yeah.
Yeah,
Because anyway we have to take calorie, we cannot we cannot like completely restrain that. No, we cannot take it like that, because we to survive we have to take calorie containing food. So I'm saying that we should proportionate, we should take this calorie containing food proportionally in daytime, rather than taking more in daytime rather than taking night time.
so there is a comment like in between the foods we'll eat more. If you say like
uh, I think so.
so, yeah, that one I heard like this. That is possible. When you feel hungry, if you say if we suggest like you eat more in the daytime, whenever you feel hungry, you'll just go and eat. So that is not a good
Yeah,
sign we are
no,
actually.
yeah, but the thing is that we should not eat much in night times, because anyway we have to sleep. So we should actually, the basic concept is that we should not sleep suddenly after eating. So that whatever
That's
we have
really
eaten,
true. Yeah.
that should be digest before sleeping. So
Yeah,
that's
even
what I'm saying.
every time, not just to dinner. I heard like every food, whenever you eat something, you should not
Yeah,
rest immediately. You should
yeah,
some walking or something.
yes, correct.
Additionally, I'm adding this point is like try to reduce the food in the nighttime and also daytime. It's not like that we can eat everything or anything. It's like
Yes.
should be knowing like in between the meals, like morning and afternoon, when we feel hungry or something, it doesn't mean that we need to eat food. It may be
Yeah,
what
dry fruits or something like that.
true, true. So that we should be aware. And also
Yeah.
these days, this business of weight loss is becoming like a booming world these months and last few years. I think they are focusing these things along with these stuff. They're focusing on what we call this the indirect reasons why we get eat to more food and all. So that's the other side.
Correct. Yeah.
Even I
Also,
got
one more thing I want to mention.
yeah,
Yeah,
go on.
one more thing I want to mention, that while eating, we should not drink water. We should not keep on drinking water, because as we start eating, there is one acid start to release in our stomach to digest this food. And if we
Yeah.
will keep on drinking water, that acid will reduce, not reduce, like that will settle down. It won't be able to digest enough our food. So we should not keep on taking keep on taking water while eating. Once we'll finish our dinner or lunch, then only after 15 minutes or 20 minutes only we should take water.
Yeah, I think you pointed out nicely. This is a crucial one. So the what we call the bacteria, the enzymes, whatever we
That is,
release
yeah.
for digesting the food, that
Hmm.
is actually an important thing. Similarly, the enzymes are the bacteria whichever is there for releasing this digestion of the food. There are similar bacteria, these enzymes, which will enable to burn our existing what we call existing foods in the body. So
Hmm.
that's where this
Correct.
fat will accumulate. Like there are some mechanism which will balance
Yes.
digestion and also the burning of the food.
Correct.
So the
That
problem
is
where
why it,
yeah.
hmm,
So the problem where
it will increase our fat.
some of our habits are I mean this emotional or the sleep timings which are indirectly affecting this activity of this particular enzymes which are
Yes. Correct.
yeah, I think that we should consider that one about
Yeah.
how to maybe how to take this enzyme to help us in a positive.
Also, yeah, when I was reading, actually a few months back, I read a lot how to take proper food so that it won't convert in unnecessary fat. So
True.
that time I read one thing, that we should, instead of taking food, we have to we have to consider more when we are taking water, because drinking water is one of the very important thing for our body. Absolutely, we need water to work proper, to work all functions so that work properly. But
Yeah.
when we are taking water, it's very important thing. So whenever we are going to eat, we should take water before 15-20 minutes, and after 20 or 15 minutes food. Like together with food, we should not take water. If we are taking if we are having too much hard food, it's not at all we don't have gravy or pearls like that, then we can take little bit, but we should avoid that, so that it's a kind of habit we should develop slowly. After some time, automatically it will come that you won't feel thirsty just after eating. So I think that we should consider.
I think 1 minute. I'll just yeah, go on.
Yeah, I was saying that we drinks water and without any attention, giving attention. We think that okay, it's not a matter to think much, but this is also it also matters actually. Sometimes if you'll like start giving attention on when you are taking water and how are you taking water, then you'll feel that laziness and some bone pain will reduce in your body. You won't feel that much. Sometimes you feel that acne in body, right? That laziness and
True. That's
so
really true.
yeah. So if those few things are that we should always take water slowly. We should not drink it like as it's one glass and
Yeah,
good like this. So
that's true.
we should drink it slowly. So and also like with glass only we should drink. We should not take it up. We should not lift our mouth up and drink it like this. So
Yeah,
this all actually affects much.
true. Even there is
We,
a comment I heard like we have to eat. Sorry, we have to drink the water only in sitting. We should not drink in the standing or
yes,
sit
correct.
and drink like that.
This is a major reason why we have this knee pain. What to say this disease? It's very that in Hindi it's something gatia kind of thing. That
Art, I think.
bone pain.
Yeah, I
That
think
some aged people have this disease, right? In
true.
India, I think 50% people have this disease, that leg pain and
Arthritis, I think.
yeah, correct. I think.
Between the nose, I remember.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So that all this drinking water while standing is one of the major reason for this disease, and we don't know actually. We don't think much for this thing. And
yeah, that's true, right? I mean, when we are standing and drinking, it's like we're not just drinking. Our body is always, it's a vigilant. It's observing everything, and it's reacting
yes,
as per the actions. I
yes,
think that is true. And additionally, like, yeah, so we are talking about food habits and we came from children to adults. So the children's time, we don't care this much, but adults time we'll be caring this much because our activities are varying every time. So we will not be doing
yeah.
particular work at particular timings. So
Also, we want to look healthy and fit. That's
yeah,
also one of the reason.
that's another reason is that we'll be using our brain so much in the adults. It's not that children's they will enjoy, they'll burn the calories. It doesn't mean that they will use their intelligence. For using our brain, we need to be healthy and active. That is a
Yes,
very
correct.
so yeah. And yeah. Additionally, like you can take some examples, like any college or any employees, uh, any comments on this? Any example
Hmm.
to speak upon? Some
Uh,
like if it is a college student habit in a hostels especially.
yeah, see, in hostels and all, you can't like you have to eat whatever mess people are giving.
Yeah,
You
that's
can't
the
manage
concern.
your
So in
yeah.
that
So
concern, like how can we manage in that kind of
I
situation?
think since in mess definitely they will give so much masala containing food and all. So
True.
I prefer that take food, reduce the food timing. Normally we are eating thrice, right? I used to do I eat only twice, and in one meal I used to have fruits or this some mixture kind of thing will come, right, with cornflakes and all. This
Yeah,
I'll take with milk, and
serious.
because
That is
in
serious.
mess anyway we are not getting nutritious food, so we have to add that nutrition by ourselves. So with this we can manage with fruits or some grains are there like sprouts kind of things. We can
Yeah.
keep this as sprouts or grams and that moong. We can just soak it in, and in morning we can have. Also, one thing I'll mention that avla is one of the very important thing what we should take when we are eating food like mess. because anyway you have to make your digestive system very strong when you are eating this mess food.
Amla.
So amla, yeah, amla. So that we can, I don't know, amla in English is,
No. I think Amla. I mean, it's
amla is English word only, right?
yeah, it's English and it's familiar term only. I think.
Yeah. So we can do like this, that anyway, this green amla we can't get regularly. So you can take in solid form that comes, you can get from Amazon or Flipkart, and we can just soak it in night and morning. We just we can drink this water, whatever we, after washing only we should soak it, and in morning we can drink it, that water.
Yeah. I think along with these similar lines, like this, I don't know, this Daksha, what do you call in English? Grapes?
Almond,
No, Draksha. So English, I forgot the right term.
raisins,
Dry fruits, grapes.
raisins, right?
Since yeah, we can call resins. I think yeah. That liquid also like there's a. I mean, it's
Correct.
nighttime you soak it and morning you drink that liquid. It's very good for an empty stomach
Yes.
directly after awake. So that one and
Because if you want take additional nutrition and additional good things in your food, and you won't mention na, with this mess food, definitely you are going to fell ill, definitely at one day,
in
maybe within,
long run it will be affected probably.
yeah, definitely it will affect, definitely for sure it will affect. Maybe up to starting up to 4 or 6 months you won't feel that it's okay, your body can manage, but after at least 1 year definitely you are going to feel it that something.
I think we have presented this compounding effect video that will accumulate, that will connect here also. It's like 1 year or 6 months it won't affect, but if it is if you repeat for 10 years or 7 years, definitely it will.
Definitely.
So it's compounding the effect of this food. It's compounding.
Because body's resistance is too much. First, body will try to manage, but once that persistence will go on, then only it will start showing up.
Yeah, I think yesterday or day before yesterday in the mess we are discussing like the other friends, they are saying we are eating only the liquid food 80% and eating very less of rice today. What happened to everyone? I think they didn't thought of the control of food, so we just eating. So sometimes it may happen like we may not feel like eating. We may end up pure taking up water and dry these liquid foods. Instead of that, we can balance water or some liquid foods or some dry fruits, so we can eat both. Like
Yeah. Also, I want to mention that, yeah, what I wanted to mention, I forgot suddenly. Arre.
yeah, I was
One very good point, it came in my mind, but I forgot.
no
Let it
issue.
come again.
Take time. So this one, the soaking thing. Actually, other day we are discussing about this badam, what we call
Yeah, almond.
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 So almonds, there is a significant effect if you eat directly and if you eat soaked almond.
Yes, after soaking.
And also, like there is the layer on the surface, it is like a protective layer and it's like inhibiting the digestive enzymes to react. So either you chew properly or else you soak it and eat it happily. So otherwise, it may affect in the reverse way. Like that, there are some comments recently, like even
Yes.
2 weeks back also we are talking about this one. And
Also, one thing I want to mention, that some combinations are there that we usually do, but we should not do this. For example, like just see in Saturday we are getting in night time na that food, sambar rice, lemon rice, curd rice with milk. That combination is really very stupid combination, because that too with sometimes they'll give vegetable or that that salad and all also. Actually, we should not drink milk with salad at all. We should not drink. It will it can increase so much skin diseases and all. So
true.
after if you are eating some anything salty, you should drink water. Then only you should take milk. We should not take milk just after like eating anything
No,
salty.
and I think it is a funny observation. Like
Yeah,
see, they are thinking like if you eat whatever the food they provide, everything, and eat this one, then it may not happen anything. I mean, it may not affect you. But we can't eat whatever they provide, all the items, right? We'll eat whatever we like, 1 or 2 items.
yeah.
We'll end up eating this thing also. It's a mismatch of combinations.
No, anyway, you have to eat either lemon rice or sambar rice or curd rice, right?
Yeah,
Curd rice and milk. Curd rice and milk is like completely stupid combination, and that too with so the Saturday night food is really very funny.
Yeah, I think this one even the alumnus of the our campus, some people are commenting this Saturday that boost boost and Horlicks. So
Yeah, that's
that was like iconic. Like even some faculty when they speak, from outside, they'll still ask, "Is it still there?" Like this Saturday, this boost
okay.
giving like that. I
You
don't.
know, also one more thing, what I have seen in so many house, and even in my home also, I saw that we what we do this that we used to take a salad and all. We take this salad after eating food. In between food, we take salad, right? In salad also we are taking this apple, all kind of fruits. Sometimes orange also they keep orange, apple, and papaya, all these kind of fruits with food as well as with water. This is really a very bad combination because it can give you skin diseases like anything. You can suffer after eating 5 6 months regularly. You can have skin diseases. Definitely, you will have skin diseases. Sometimes that white spots will come because after having food, we should not drink water directly. If we are having food, not food, sorry, fruit. So if with fruit, we should not drink water directly, especially with orange and papaya, we should not drink water at all just after having fruit, this papaya and orange, because that combination is like if you will drink directly water after eating this, it's really very bad for our health. So it can have a reverse action. We are having this fruit so that our body, like some nutrition will go in our body, but it can affect it completely in inverse way. So some selected things only we should keep in salad. This only I wanted to emphasize, because we should not keep everything in salad. What happens in our home and all, whatever fruit is there in fridge, they'll cut everything for fruit, like food salad. That we should not do actually.
That's true.
I
Basically,
have seen this in so many homes.
uh, by the way, did you go abroad any internship or conference in the recent
I
year?
did not go. I was supposed to go this next June, but I think it will be online only now.
Yeah, why I'm referring is that not every country at least. So I went to Japan now. So they like the foods they are taking. They'll take.
Consciously.
It's like what we discussed. The raw food they don't process much. It's like less processed food,
Correct, correct.
and also they will like see they'll take certain food and they'll drink the liquids like green tea and lemon tea. It's like water for them, so they'll drink immediately after the food or after some time. It's like balancing the diet. So there is a good feedback about these citizens, no, Japanese
Yeah.
citizens, fitness and all. So it's
We
like
are not at all conscious about our healthy food. We are conscious about tasty food. This is our problem
true,
actually.
true. This is a good saying in comparison. That's very very true.
Yeah.
They mostly focus on the fitness actually, on fitness,
Yeah.
and they'll be relaxed always. They don't eat too much whenever they feel like.
Yeah.
They eat
Also,
also.
thing is that if you will tell these all things to our parents and all, now they'll say, my mom says that, see, I am eating from last 40 years. I don't have any problem. You take care about yourself. You may have some problem. So the thing is that they are just conscious for tasty food. If they are like they just want to eat, that's it. So this is their problem. But
So
if you want to only eat, then it's fine. But if you really want to be fit and slim, then these are the things you have to consider and you have to keep in mind while eating.
yeah,
So I think so.
actually, this why we are talking why we are talking this topic actually, it's like see the healthy. If you are healthy, if you are not healthy, let's take two conditions. So if you are healthy, in the healthy again there may be ratings like how much healthier you are. So the fitness
Correct, correct.
concepts will come in that picture. So you won't be too bad if you don't follow the tip or these tips. I mean, whatever the food habits, you'll be okay. But the quantum of work which you can do, or the capacity of your, let's say, the intuitiveness or the brain processing skills, it will directly affect in the later on.
Yes, yes, yes.
And we are going into the era of artificial intelligence and what we call machine learning. So it may be highly probable that we may end up in in the situations that we have to use so much, at least we have to be sharp enough. And other side, we are having all the foods and we are eating more foods. Now itself, it's increased compared to our parents. In the future, it may even increase. So it's the right time. We have to know the importance
Correct, correct.
from now at least. We have to teach our next generations probably.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
it may affect in direct sense.
Yeah. Also, one thing I want to mention one more thing that for evening snacks, what
Yeah.
we are taking like samosa and all, we should not take this. Like actually we gave attention too much for our morning breakfast, but evening snacks we did not think much ever. As much as I can say about myself, I did not think much. But last 5 6 months, I thought a lot, and now I'm eating everything by with proper planning and all. Because evening snacks is also you should not eat anything like samosa and pakoda. This all you should not eat. Like I think we should prefer much that cheering kind of things, that what to say, like that baked grams and that laya, what to say in English, I don't know.
So,
That made up of that rice and raw rice, that some crispy kind of things that would be
that corns,
which we use. Huh?
corns, kind of corns. You're
Correct, correct. Kind of corns, or popcorn also. Like otherwise, that baked grain, baked grams,
yeah.
without oil and all. That that one, I think
I think
that
when
we
we
can
talk about this topic, what about your comments on this? What we call the preserved foods or the ready-made foods?
ready-made foods. Absolutely, like it's bad only how much, but we cannot completely. We cannot restrict from all these things. We have to eat like
Yeah,
anyways. If
but the theoretical observation says it is okay, but the practical and aside, it may
Yeah.
be something we have to balance. Like we're talking about food habits, it may be true that we have to balance how you are taking the ready-made foods or the normal foods. That balance maybe.
Yeah, it may be good, but it depends upon that from where you are taking it. That's very important thing. That
Yeah,
from where you are getting this ready-made food. That's also
that's
important thing.
true. Maybe the branded or the established ones, they may have proper
Correct, correct, correct.
and other stuff, but other things we may not expect probably.
Yeah. But I'm telling that because regularly we cannot eat proper nutritious and full of protein food, because
Yeah.
we are here and we cannot eat it at all. So we should include some fruits and some dry fruits and these soaked grains and all, so that it will balance.
True,
It will
true.
balance somewhat. I'll tell you one data. Once, yes, last year now I was feeling too much fatigue and too much tiredness. Then I went hospital, and actually these things affect too much. This food, proper food and diet affect too much for the females much more than the males. Because well, like women's more than the men's, because so many factors are there. So when I went hospital now, that I have she tested me and she told me that, hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so she told me that you have deficiency of vitamin B12. Then she told me that then I came back and I read data. In India, 90% females are suffering from deficiency of vitamin B12.
Oh,
So because they don't get special attention, because this food habits and what kind of food we are affecting, we are eating, it affects more, as I told, that women's compared to men. So they should take care, like they should get special attention, what we are not giving in our society and in our culture. So especially anemic diseases, women's 80% women are suffering from anemic diseases. That's directly depend that how we are eating food and what kind of food we are eating.
like Corona is proven as a good example now. The only way
Yeah.
you have to be healthy to yourself.
Yes. See, this corona also, only those people whose immunity system is strong enough, they did not affect, this corona did not affect them at all. So that's a very good examples that we should take, that we should take care ourselves much. We should give attention on what we are eating than what we are wearing, our external beauty, because internal beauty is much more important. Internal beauty as well as strength is much more important than external things.
That's true. That's true. So I think it's a long subject. I mean, it's not a
Yeah.
short description. There are many verticals and many conditions. It's not everything is it's a everything has its own significance. Thank you for the time, Miss Bindu.